Hey yo everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today I'll be reacting to Breakfast by Mistress Green Apple. They are also my favorite Japanese rap band from Tokyo. I've been loving these guys. Alright, they are some great musicians, excellent story writers, people with a very set musical career. They are artists, not trending artists, but they are artists. Alright, they'll give us a music in art form that can be having a long lasting substance until the end of time. Okay, so this is the reason why I became a fan of their music, because of their long lasting music. We can go and we can listen to their music now, and it's been released like about 10 years ago, and we still have the connection in that music. Okay, so with that being said, let's check out what Mistress Green Apple have to say in this track, Breakfast. Peace. Guys, I've been waiting for them to give us some good music, and the music that is not released called Breakfast sounds good. Okay, I guess it have some good message in it that will give me a wow moment, and it seems so realistic. Okay, so I guess it's a love song. All right, don't think about the difficult things and always ignore them. Definitely so. Definitely so.
何気ない言葉に傷つくくせにあなたこそ正しく言葉を使えずにいるどこかで泣いてる
Exactly. Sometimes it's best to just go freely. Alright? Don't think about the casual words, because they can hurt you. Okay? And it's facts. It's actually facts. Just live freely. Just feel the vibe. Just feel alive. Okay?
人がいる私だって泣きたい夜もあるどうなったって僕のせいでもいいから嫌わないでほしい愛想ばっかでしもくって人がただ減る簡単なことでも考えら
Bars. We even think about the simple things and always ignore. Simple as that. The simplest things, we can ignore it as well, because that's just the factuality of life.
いつだってする大事なこと言葉で伝えたいのにいざって時にどう言っていいかわかんない冷めないうちにあったかいご飯を食べよう行ってきますとご先祖に手を合わせよう
Let's put our hands together to our ancestors as we go. Cheers to our ancestors, because if it wasn't for them, some things wouldn't be a possibility. Or let's see, all things wouldn't be a possibility. Okay, because they are their ancestors. Okay, and they give us the chance to be here today. Alright, so very good bar. Very good bars.
踊れない香りが漂ってきたらとりあえず今日生きよう私らしくおはよう
It's very polite. When we see people, we can say good morning, but it's in our way. It's us. Okay? It's in our form of saying good morning. A world just for you. Damn, I rate this crew, man. I rate this crew so much, bro. It's our world. Alright, our world today. Dreams we can't wake up from, because it's reality. We want to put that dream into reality. What we dream about, what we want to accomplish, dreams we can't wake up from, because that's what we want to accomplish. And sometimes some dreams haven't come through, right? But guess what? It's a painful reality as well. Damn, they're good, bro. They're actually good.
ただ景色になってゆく他の誰でもない何でもない奇跡をあなたは持って
Bro, it's our world. Let us continue to spread it today, because no one else has that, right? You are the only one that contains that miracle. So let us spread our world today. Let us share the kindness. Let us give the kindness of art to others. All right? Because only we are containing that. No one else can. Because that's our world. Damn, bro. Damn. Fragile hybrid. Okay? The desire for approval becomes a bait. Exactly. Exactly. Because what we want to approve in life, we have to catch it. We have to set it out there. Right? So what we are setting for, that bait that we set it for, is going to catch it so we can earn it. This is the reason I love Mr. Green Apple, because their songs always resonate to life. It's always such a reality. Okay? So they will not have any form of being flopped or fall off, because their music always lasts long. It's substantial music. Music with life. Music with hope. Music with such an evidential movement. Definitely.
なってゆく強気もいいけど僕はちょっとひびが入ってるくらいがいいぜ知らんけど楽でもいいんだアホでもいいんだ人のあったかいとこ
You know, it's okay to be stupid. It's okay to be an idiot. I want place with people. It's okay, bro. Just be you. Basically, just be you. If people doesn't want to accept you for who you be, let them move on. Because at the end of the day, spread your world. Just be yourself. That's what matters, bro.
分かってればいい分かってればいい愚かさを諦めなければいいあなただけの世界が中の世界が今日広がっていく
Rip! 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 Bro, I love them so much. The positivity in this song is in overdrive. Wow! Wow, the lyrics is top notch. I ain't gonna lie. The lyrics, it's top notch, bro. Excellent, Mistress Green Apples. You guys are such incredible artists.
他の誰でもない何でもない奇跡をあなたは持っている冷めないうちにあったかい
Before it get cold, let's eat the hot cooked food, definitely. Because no one wants to eat something that is cold. It's not healthy. Okay? So, life is just as that, bro. We have to get things as it is now before it gets too cold. Because when the soup is cold, it contains a new taste. Damn, bro. These people are too good of an artist, man.
ご飯を食べよう行ってきますと Good sounds on 手を合わせよう戻れないあの日が恋しくなっても
Let's put our hands together for the ancestors. Even that day we cannot go back to. Because it's history. and history can never be replaced. So let's clap them for what they've done. What they have done. Very good. Absolutely incredible. Just live for today, because tomorrow is promised to no one.
とりあえず今日いいよ私らしくおはよう難しいことはここらでやめて身支度を済ませて日の日が
The difficult things, stop it from here. Alright? Because why? Breathe in the sunlight. Let's make things simple, but casually chosen. Fucking hell, they are good, bro. They are actually good.
光を浴びて朝食を済ませ
I ain't gonna lie, Mrs. Green Apple, you guys are one of my favorite bands of all time. You know, this is the reason why I'm a big fan of your music, because your music is such a beautiful music. Life and beyond. Well done, guys. Well done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mrs. Green Apple, this music is such an heartwarming music, such positive music, such great message, right? So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another reaction.